Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Planning to kill people will not work. Even if you say you kill everybody, you can't be governor of the state. Even if your goal now to intimidate everybody, if there are 10 people there, they will vote against you. It's not a force for people to support you. So threatening people about if they see some of our actions to go church go the outdoors. And I mean, Okalot was Saubua. Or you wanna Odamegbe. They went to 5K's house, Mr. Jumbu, to attack him. Is it a force for people to be with you? Is it a force for people to be with you? Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. If they can attack 5K, Imade, the plan will not get for us many. But the truth is, no matter what you do, if you remain on the loose, we use and talk the truth. We know the series of threats, but the fact is very. The person will go attack this guy for house. You know, Governor Obaseki, you must act. And I'm glad that you officially announced that if you see anybody who attack a vehicle with your banner or anything related to PDP, they should inform you. And now you have been informed. Now one of your supporters in Uronigbe have been attacked. Mr. 5K, now my guy, Ranomigo brother, now he receive us, we'll go Uronigbe. Now in the attack so. Now still the same attack when they try to attack us that day. But they still know say war can be fought in different angles. God give us the ability to triumph over evil that very day. Our camera was live and I told the cameraman to go far. Or to be ready to zoom them in case they continue. Now this time is to know the history of everybody. What have they done in the past? What are they doing today? You are recruiting miscreants, bad eggs in the society, all in a bid to coerce Edo people, to force them to support you. You can't achieve that aim. You can't. Now force they take a vote for person. Now force Edo people openly rejected you and Oshomole. You guys came out with your new strategy of what we call the political Adequate. You are nearly from Uselu to Udo to Eka to Bini. They need down to deceive people. You are recruiting terror squad. As I am driving right now, I can come down where I am now. You will see people how they will rush us. PDP, Obaseki, PDP, Obaseki. PDP, Obaseki, PDP, Obaseki. You see them? PDP, Obaseki. This is a large environment. This has gone beyond party. Obaseki has been able to show that he can create positive impact and development. As you see, this is a Yamugragra. And I'm showing desperation. It won't work. It won't work. If we not like, we not use AK-47, we take the key people, they go. Mona continue. But there is no way Izeyamu can be the governor of Edo State, no matter the intimidation. He like they promise you federal power and the rest. We know what they did in Kogi. Edo no be Lagos. For anybody to succeed to intimidate Edo people, that person may sleep, wake up. For anybody to succeed to intimidate Edo people against their will, that person may sleep, go wake up. None of us get right to our life. Now God only give us the right to sleep and wake up successfully. So you wear a short chest. You believe say you can cut short the life of others. We are like Bontia. Will you fly away from the earth? You will still die. Senator Kashemu, one of the richest billionaires I've ever seen. When they want burial, now normal block that they set the place round. So no matter what you do, even if you plan to cut short the life of everybody young man, you cannot live forever. It is not a force for you to be a governor. The same thing you choose to achieve if you become governor, you can achieve it without being a governor. I have asked a question. How many boho is tied to Izeyamu Muslim in Edo State? Excuse me. This is the most respected Mr. Kennedy. Don't know why. One of the strong members of Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide. You are a general. Don't know, Baba. Oh, why you say no way? You threatening him, you threatening Marie. But we will stand. Italian mason. Obiano Yoko. Okay, can you where Emmanuel Candelicon? We are not afraid. And now that we've seen that they are now attacking, we have our responsibility now to build our personal security. We'll build that. We'll build that. And I'm going to report this issue to members of Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide so that we know how to make a plan. In my real video, I true, I call you Baba. Okay. Okay, when I try, I'll call you immediately. Let me quickly tell you, nobody, the propaganda that they are saying about suspending Obaze, about Obaze, nobody have ever, and nobody can. About Obaze is a material, and is a strong supporter of the governor. Abat is coming back in full to give them the dose of what they are planning for. So no problem, I will reach you back. No, we cannot be intimidated. I will call you back after the program. Domo no way. All right. Yeah. Now, sorry, more than first. We cannot be intimidated, Edo people.
Great.
We cannot be intimidated, Edo people.
Great.
Osak, we not they move alone. If you check my drive now men they we not they go alone. We not still ready to dread. Talk your own, make I talk my own. I agree your campaign. I agree your campaign. So the idea of thinking that you can hoodwink and intimidate people to support you, it's an aberration. They went to go and attack 5K in his house. If they say 5K no room, therefore kill him. And you could recall that they raised alarm in respect of assassins waiting on ground. It don't clear. Nobody can intimidate Edo people to vote. If election is done free and fair today, Obaseki will get 95%. Isiamu will get 3%. Other party will get 2%. Go and check the group of people that are supporting Isiamu. It's either the person a retired criminal, or if they got tickets where they beat market women and men, or now weed smoking without thinking being issue, or that person they say we must make sure say we remove Obaseki because you don't share money. These are the set of people they support Isiamu. These are the set of people supporting Isiamu. Am I lying?
No.
Am I lying?
No.
Am I lying?
No.
Am I speaking your mind?
Yes.
Am I speaking your mind?
Yes.
These are the kind of people supporting him. No sane person, no wise person will ever come out to support it. Now, these are the men who manhandled a journalist. Please give me your phone. Go to my wall. Ogba, you see, this is another 4+4 man.
Hey,
4+4.
Ogba.
4+4.
Ogba.
You don't ever see.
I don't even know that you said.
You don't ever see anybody who say one vote against Obaseki.
No, I never see. Maybe no, my Igbo youth.
These are
Igbo
people, man, in Benin.
All of them, maybe last one that tell them Obaseki.
It's the project.
Yeah.
They already everywhere good, Baba. We did.
The light is in my eye. I mean, this is
Spain.
okay, that's what it's supposed to be.
Na Spain.
But this one, come now, me will wash
we go to now confirm. You Odogu?
4+4.
Ogba. Odogu. So, no matter what they do, they already know, say, they can't win. It's either they are planning to disrupt the election, which will not work. Eshaibu no mose, Eshaibu no mose o, Eshaibu no mose o. Igwe emonu we bia yo meje. Eshaibu no mose, Eshaibu no mose o, Eshaibu no mose o. Igwe emonu we bia yo meje. Obaseki no mose, Obaseki no mose o. Obaseki no mose o. Igwe emonu we bia yo meje. Ogeme no mose, Ogeme no mose o, Ogeme no mose o. Igwe emonu we bia yo meje. Now let me tell you the truth. Why I start with Philip Shaibu is that I know, say, I say sharp as deputy governor. Naso himself rugged. You can't mess him up. You can't. Why secondly use Obaseki is this. He is very intelligent and he knows how to crush the enemy. The national chairman can explain. They dispose. The first in the history of Nigeria, a sacked national chairman. These people are so violent. Look at what they did. Prophet Nancy. So, because journalists capture the embarrassment of Osomole by traditional laws in Lagos Central. They beat up the journalists and seize up the camera. They break them. You see what they did? I take it again. Eshaibu no mose, Eshaibu no mose o, Eshaibu no mose o. Iwo mo no we bia yo beje. We cannot deceive ourselves. The only people who are supporting Zeyamu in Edo State is those who believe that government money is not for you and I, it's for them alone. It is those who believe that the crude oil in Edo State should be under their control. It is those who cannot run to court, to ask court or to pray to the court to stop people from quoting him. Quoting his previous statement against Izeyamu. And Izeyamu, being an intelligent gentleman, refused to counter his own statement against Oshobole. You want to intimidate people, no matter the intimidation. You cannot win these elections. Don't bother to waste Edo people's life. Even if it is remaining one, that one will come to vote against you. Don't kill anybody. Don't bother yourself to kill anybody. Don't bother yourself to send talk against anybody. Go and mark it. You can never be governor in Edo State. The reason why you can never be governor in Edo State is because of this, your glaring desperation. I must be. If you will be one man carrying one head, you believe say you fit bend people one. No, say other men carry many head, different head. We believe say you know fit bend their hand. I take it again. Eshaibu me no mose, Eshaibu me no mose o, Eshaibu me no mose o. Iwo monu we bieri obeje. Obaseki me no mose, Obaseki me no mose o, Obaseki me no mose o. Iwo monu we bieri obeje. Osamere no mose, Osamere no mose o, Osamere no mose o. Iwo monu we bieri obeje. Osamere no mose, Osamere no mose o, Osamere no mose o. Iwo monu we bieri obeje. Ogieme no mose, Ogieme no mose o, Ogieme no mose o. Iwo monu we bieri obeje. No matter what they do, great men of inestimable value stand to defend the interests of the Talakawas. If they can attack 5K, Jumbu, the plan is everywhere. We are aware. They wrote a petition recently to the IG, accusing some persons of gun running. We already know. We are waiting for the petitions to come. The beautiful part of it is this. It doesn't mean that you must join court before you can be stubborn. Everybody knows Osakweno Hwodi Abatobaze is not a member of any confraternity. If you are seeing me in your meeting, come out and identify. So if you like, you write petition for now tomorrow talk about party. One thing is for you to write. The other thing is for you to prove. I have said it before now, I'm repeating it. I'm not a member of any confraternity. God running, I have never peddled arms in this state. But maybe in the future, I will buy illegally acquired arms. Legally acquired, and I will buy. I will pass the due process. Even the commissioner of police will be aware that I'm buying arms. Because this time, we need to as well defend ourselves too. If the states fail to defend, we resort to self-defense. Let's tell ourselves the simple truth. How many of these people, when they do this, go fit follow us deck as a man, forget school? Say because okay, I be like this now. Stanley, Osako, hold more deck. You can't beat me. Physical contact, you can't. So because you get some illegal arms to intimidate people, No me say you get the hand to fight men for streets. I want the government in your boy Yeke almost knew. I have no government backup. I have no backup. Igbinani Megbinana is to make sure Edo is better for you and I. Oba Sekime no Mose. Oba Sekime no Mose. Oba Sekime no Mose. Iwe monu wewe bia yo meje. Osamere no Mose. Osamere no Mose. Osamere no Mose. Iwe monu wewe bia yo meje. Ogiere no Mose. Ogiere no Mose. Iwo giere no Mose. Iwo monu wewe bia yo meje. Oba Sekime no Mose. Oba Sekime no Mose. Oba Sekime no Mose. Iwo monu wewe bia yo meje. Eshaibu no Mose. Eshaibu no Mose. Eshaibu no Mose. Iwo monu wewe bia yo meje. That is if they go attack 5K. They go mess 5K up. The rest of us go run and tell us we not go talk again. I'm not telling you say I'll feel beat to now. No. If you attack us, no problem. But we will continue to say the truth. Oshomole knows me. Ask him what I did in 2012. Even Philip Shaibu, then he was the majority leader. I went to meet him in his office face to face. I told him, you people will never succeed in this property tax law. We fought. They know. When they wanted to victimize RTVA, I locked down the status of assembly. Oshomole knows. He was the governor as then. Sorry, Obaseki already became the governor. We locked down the status of assembly. Now today we started to do activism. An activist that is afraid of prison, never ready. He never ready. You can deceive some people sometimes. You cannot deceive them all the. You can deceive some people sometimes. You can never deceive them all the
time.
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 Claro.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Before. Wait. Are you a nurse? Are you a doctor? Wait. Now, the truth is very clear. Edo cannot go back to Egypt. No matter the intimidation, no matter their plan, they have already failed. Please share this video. Okay, the thing say, if they carry gun and everything, go meet 5K for house. Jumbo Imade. Go meet her for house. Now, I say I know they support Obaseki. 5K is too wacko to dread. I advise Governor Gordon Obaseki to intervene immediately because there must be a repressor. If they give 5K chance, 5K when me know, old 5K, government, the only way peace can be in that area, government need to quickly intervene. You cannot beat 5K and go free. That's the truth. No peace, no 5K right from baby. If it not be PDP, me I no go vote. Any other party, me I no go vote. If it not be Obaseki, me I no go vote. Any other party, me I no go vote. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin dey, na there we go there. Anywhere Shaibu dey, na there we go go. Eh, Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Eh, Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin dey, na there we dey go. Anywhere Shaibu dey, na there we dey go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. They don't leave you on your ticket. You see, they intimidate people. They don't leave you on your ticket. You see, they intimidate people. What the last man? What are they threatening to kill the man? Because now be one user for PDP to stop Obaseki. The man not agree. Now I begin add and join list of people who they want to kill. Must you man, or you're not boring. You can have the whole money in the world, but you can never have peace of mind. So no matter what you do, Edo people, we are going to come out en masse to return Governor Godwin
Obaseki.
To return Governor Godwin
Obaseki.
To return Governor Godwin
Obaseki.
Oama guvegwa oni kugeria. Oama guvegwa oni kugeria. Oama guvegwa oni kugeria. So magi settings egbona ikugeria ya. Magi settings egbona ikugeria ya.
Magi settings egbona ikugeria ya.
Magi settings egbona
ikugeria ya.
Obaseki na big man, who no Unkola small boy. Obaseki na big man, who no Unkola small boy. Emato na big man, oh.
Who no Unkola small boy.
Emato na big man,
who no Unkola small boy.
Shaibu na big man, oh.
Who no Unkola small boy.
Comrade na big man,
who no Unkola small boy.
Osame na big man, oh.
Who no Unkola small boy.
Osamere na big man,
who no Unkola small boy.
Okie na big man, oh.
Who no Unkola small boy.
Okie na big man,
who no Unkola small boy.
Osakwe no kwodi na big man, oh.
Who no Unkola small boy.
Osakwe no kwodi na big man,
who no Unkola small boy.
Obaseki na big man, oh.
Who no Unkola small boy.
Obaseki na big man,
who no Unkola small boy.
Abat Obase na big man, oh.
Who no Unkola small boy.
Abat na big man,
who no Unkola small boy.
Desmond na big man, oh.
Who no Unkola small boy.
Desmond na big man,
who no Unkola small boy.
Banti na big man, oh.
Who no Unkola small boy.
Banti na big man,
Who no Unkola small boy.
Woye na big man, oh.
Who no Unkola small boy.
Woye na big man,
Who no Unkola small boy.
Ogbefu na big man, oh.
Who no Unkola small boy.
Ogbefu na big man,
Who no Unkola small boy.
Iseyamu try to jump the fence.
Parara.
Chuku chuku chukinya.
Parara.
Iseyamu try to jump the fence.
Parara.
Chuku chuku chukinya.
Parara.
Iseyamu try to jump the fence.
Parara.
Chuku chuku chukinya.
Parara.
Iseyamu try to jump the fence.
Parara.
Chuku chuku chukinya.
Parara.
He lied to us.
Oh.
What he do? What he do? He lied to us. What you do? What you do? You lied to us. I want to tell you all. Oja, I have seen a woman.
Oh, yeah.
It's applicable to everywhere. Not be one place. Is he amu try to jump the fence?
Parara.
Chuku chuku chukinya.
Parara.
Is he amu try to jump the fence?
Parara.
Chuku chuku chukinya.
Parara.
Osomole try to jump the fence.
Parara.
Chuku chuku chukinya.
Parara.
He lied to us.
Parara.
What you do? What you do? He lied to us. What you do? What you do? He lied to us. The truth is simple. We must stand to defend the interest of the Raktags. May not waste their time. Not waste your time. Make we give you one secret. Nobody to family go as I know the sleepers. Now you worry yourself. If you were, Natalie, I cannot be doing this job and you expect me to be in my house waiting for you. No. Don't waste your time. the most respected councillor of Ward 2 is on ground. These are the men who defend the interests of the ragtags in our society. Is the try to jump defense? Chuku chuku chukinyas. Is the try to jump defense? Chuku chuku chukinyas. This is the councillor, a strong grassroots mobilizer who believes that 4+4 Togba. Is the try to jump defense? Chuku chuku chukinyas. Is the try to jump defense? Chuku chuku chukinyas. You lie to us. What you do? What you do? You lie to us. Thank you. Let me come back again from this angle. The truth is very clear. Otumadu na big man. Who no I call us small boy. Otumadu na big man. Who no I call us small boy. Osayi na big man oh. Who no I call us small boy. Osayi na big man. Who no I call us small boy. Councillor na big man oh. Who no I call us small boy. Councillor na big man. Who no I call us small boy. Kubris na big man oh. Who no I call us small boy. Louis na big man. Who no I call us small boy. I want to invite our honorable councillor to address members of the public. Get it clear. He said, "Tries to jump defense." Chuku chuku chuki. Is defense. Chuku chuki. Now listen to our honorable councillor. We go do the pepper them. Obaseki pepper them. Oh, pepper them. Otumodu pepper them. Oh, pepper them. Osakwena holy pepper them. Oh, pepper them. Ebaso pepper them. Oh, pepper them. Kubris pepper them, oh, pepper them, Abatobaze pepper them, oh. My most respected councillor, members of the international community want to hear from you, sir. Please, sir, we need pidgin English, please.
Now, well done, my brothers. As you can see, this course is for Obaseki, and Obaseki is the project. We are not turning back. It is a slap on our face. It is not the fight of only Obaseki alone now.
Oh, you don't speak English, oh.
This one are the fight where we don't take upon ourselves. Say one kukuruku man not going to give us our dictate for Edo.
At all.
Edo not be Lagos. And it can never be like Lagos. So with that, come September 19, in fact, then it's Osadebe Avenue. Una there now, una they see us, we say pepper them.
Oh, pepper them. Obaseki pepper them. Pepper them. Odumedu pepper them. Pepper them. Everybody pepper them.
So be ready, be assured. Owagba. Ogbane. 4+4.
Caselo. They attack people for their house now. They intimidate people.
Yes, this is what they are trying to do. They are trying to create fear.
You speak English too much. Bring it down.
Okay, they won't try make sure say they create fear for our people mind so that may they not come out, come vote. Now lie, it not go happen. We are going to ensure that full security they grant. Make anybody not fear, anybody intimidate you. Call numbers. What you go display number where you go call. We go already bust anybody. As they feel say that they leave their head for us. In fact, we not leave our own.
No, so
We ready in all ramification. May I not to speak the English, my brother. We are fully ready.
Pepper them. Otumodu pepper them. Oh, pepper them. Osakwena wadi pepper them. Oh, pepper them. I don't people pepper them. Oh, let me tell you the truth. Me, I get story to Nako, make you hear me, oh, brother. I get story to say, make you hear me, oh, sister. Waiting be the story, oh. Naka, make I hear. One Naka. The truth is this. September 19 is very close. You know what they want me to do? They want to provoke the governor to act. May they forfeit declare state of emergency. Unimatic Bania. This is a message to my brother 5K. In fact, I have to call 5K online. They go after 5K for us now.
Today?
Yes, now. They want to drop 5K now. 5K move. I want to call them so. I want to call 5K. The guy that went to attack in his house. 5K received us when we went to Urunigbe.
Now all those areas, now they put hope.
Now they put hope. You know what make them shock? They cannot. Israel cannot even win.
No, you cannot even win.
You see the video? More play this one. They say. I don't know.
I don't know what they do. Say young man, the boys so my wife will day off. They carry blue ayas. They carry come my house. Now where I run reach, I don't know say they don't even destroy my house since. As I jump first, as all of them come, only 2 people when I know for inside. You run Pekin. You run from Urunigbe community in Pekin. It there among
the world 5K. Okay, now your video I play now. Hello 5K. Yes, 5K, you are live on my program. You are live for social media now. Why don't you talk to the old people around the world? Maybe you tell them what you see. Yeah, this 5K and Amigo brother, my very close friends, that they went to attack. 5K, please talk to the world. What happened?
Community, I greet the whole of you this evening. I'm alive. They have been trying different type of temptation, but they are not succeeding. Because they know we are fully on ground as far as the Urunigbe community is concerned. As I speak right now, the mother of the boy and the boy on social media, they are on the road. So we are not afraid. We leave everything for God, according to the governor, the quiet governor, the man that knows what is next thing to happen. So we don't talk too much. So they try their best. I can go help me and I escape. As I'm talking with you people, I'm in the general hospital, which I cannot dispose where I am now. I have to run from my community to another place as I speak right now. So I give glory to God who's an Ogun. So my father 4+4, we remain 4+4 and over 30 for God.
Clear road for 5K! Clear road for 5K! All the Madek Bobai! All the Madek Bobai!
Yamu is not on ground in my community. So we are on ground. It's a threat to them. Obaseki is a threat to them. Hello, Samunopodi.
I can hear you, the word is hearing you.
Yeah, the same boy that wanted to attack me and you when you were in Urunigbe.
Yes.
Group of people.
Yes.
The one that attacked me today.
The same boys that wanted to attack us that day.
Yes, they are the one who came today to come and attack me.